until the parliament is going to do whatever I can do to help develop the country, share my thoughts, work with students where I can, do some writing and get things. Jamaica has been my cause, remains my cause. I want to ensure that we don't waste the sacrifices that have been made by the Jamaican people, that we don't fail to achieve what we can because we allow ourselves to be diverted by partisanship or egotism or self-serving decision making in the halls of power in the country.
What advice would you have for these young politicians, these young MPs that are sitting
Put Jamaica and the Jamaican people first in all your doings.